baby, don't you oh, baby. Oh, baby. Then I would cry. Oh, baby.
Hi guys, it's Natalie and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about a DIY bentonite clay mask. So let's learn about this. To start on today's products, the first product here is apple cider vinegar, and I got this from Amazon. And then the Indian healing clay, which is the mask, also got it from Amazon. And then the coconut oil from the food store shop, any food store shop. Next is this hair oil from the natural beauty shop, and it entails all these oils. As you can see there, the avocado oil, baobab oil, olive oil, and moringa oil. Then of course you're going to need a mixing bowl, which is this, and this plastic spoon. It could be plastic or wooden spoon because you don't want to use metal because it will react with the clay. And of course these measuring cups, I got them from IKEA. As you can see, just to be precise on the ingredients content. And then the last thing is just water, just to get the right amount of consistency with the clay. And that is all that you need for today's tutorial. I'll start with 1 cup of the Indian healing clay. Then I'll add 5 spoons of apple cider vinegar. Once you're done with this, you'll notice there's some reaction or some fizziness happening, as you could see. But that is normal because the clay is reacting with the cider. I'll just continue adding 1 spoon of the hair oil. Then the next product is adding 1 spoon of the coconut oil, but this was in solid, so I had to warm this in warm water just to make it liquid. That worked, but it wasn't really in liquid form, but at least that can work too. So the next thing is just mixing all the products. As you can see, mine is still thick, really thick. So you could add in the apple cider vinegar, but I don't want to add that. I'll just have to add a little bit of water to get the right amount of consistency. So that is how the clay looks, and this is going to be applied directly on my hair. I had previously shampooed my hair, which I'll go ahead and section it into 4 equal parts. I'll make my hair a little bit damp. Then I'll finger detangle it as much as possible. And then when the hair is ready, I'll just take a scoop of the clay and apply it directly on my hair from the ends to the roots, and also massage it on the scalp. Ensure your ends also are really getting the clay. That is how the clay looks like on the hair. While I'm applying this mask on my hair, let's talk about the bentonite clay. So what does it really entail? So this has 3 minerals, which are sodium, potassium, and calcium, which are really essential minerals for hair growth. And so the mask really helps in so many things, and this entails helping with the dry scalp. And what I mean with the dry scalp is like the dandruff or the excess oil or dirt, or also the dead skin. So it helps also on damaged hair, let's say from excess heat damage. It helps on that. It also gives shine on hair. It defines the curl pattern. As you can see, my hair looks so curly with the clay. It helps with the frizziness on hair. It promotes also the hair growth, and most of all, it adds moisture on the hair. So those are the main things that the clay help. Once I'm done applying the mask on my hair, I will leave it for about 30 minutes before I go ahead and run it on hot water. Then I'll go ahead and deep condition my hair, but you don't have to do this, you could just condition your hair. So this is how the hair looks after washing. As you can see, my curl pattern is really curly. There's really so much difference way before and after using the clay mask, and I really love it. I'm going to use this Cantu curl enhancing and moisturizing cream, and then we'll see how the hair will look after that, if the curls will be the same or Working on moisturized hair is really nice because it helps in finger detangling process, and also the product can settle in. My hair is a bit whitish, or you can see the white flecks on top, and this will fade away with time. It takes about an hour or so. While that is drying, I will go ahead and do my makeup, and then I'll be back when the hair is ready. See you later. That is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video or tutorial and learned something about it, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Bye. See you.